Over the past 17 years, LERA has been committed to the R&D and application of new energy power systems. Along with our customers and partners, our technology has been used in 6 industries for nearly 200 product categories. The battery and power stations we manufactured have brought flexible new energy power to nearly 30 million people and replaced over 5 million gas-powered outdoor equipment. Today, LERA continues on the path of development to make great products for its customers and bring better new energy power experience to every aspect of life, with continuously progressing technology and ever greater infrastructure. Manufacturing is about efficiency, reliability, and consistency, and the key is to make it smart. Automation is the first step. At LERA's super factory, automatic equipment covers almost every part of manufacturing: battery, power station, brushless motor, injection molding, all the way to packing. Thanks to automation, our capacity per capita is now 3 times higher than that of 3 years ago. Behind the smart equipment of manufacturing is a large system of smart warehousing. LERA's 3D warehouse looks gigantic, but its horizontally and vertically integrated design helps save warehousing space up to 71%. And with the automatic warehousing equipment, efficiency is up by 35%. Strategic architectural design also contributes to minimizing transportation distances to a maximum of 100 meters in a factory, speeding up movement and greatly enhancing overall efficiency. LERA's smart manufacturing does not stop at hardware. It extends to every aspect through a system of smart software. An integrated system of PLM, MES, WMS, and ERP work together seamlessly to ensure a strong informatized support to the operation of LERA, offering practical functions such as smart BOM exporting and changing, production process tracing, warehouse task management, inventory management, and so on. Quality is the #1 priority for any factory. At LERA's super factory, our quality control team works strictly with a series of workflow to make sure each step of the workflow is done correctly with all necessary testings. LERA has built a world-class lab in cooperation with TUV, SGS, and Intertech. Here we do all kinds of testings according to standard or customized requirements: performance, durability, safety, all the way to environment, stress, and so on. Testings are done from every aspect, every detail, with no stone unturned, so that our customers and their users enjoy the products they want and need. LERA is not only a factory. Behind our manufacturing and quality control is a strong in-house R&D team of 200 industry veterans, a team of experience, innovation, and passion. New energy power system, battery, motor, electronic control, the beating heart that propels every power tool, garden tool, and electric appliance stands at the core of LERA's R&D. That makes the most important foundation for the successful development of LERA's products and battery-based platforms covering a wide range of categories. And the battery itself is full of innovation too. LERA's R&D team gives tool battery another definition. It powers your tools, and it can charge your phones and laptops. This is the first time a lithium tool battery becomes a power bank and gets rid of the big charger. Behind this is years of work of LERA's designers and engineers. Driven by the will to make great products, LERA optimized the interior space and minimized the overall size, so that the users can carry in their pocket the battery with one of the highest capacity size ratios ever. With the epoch-making battery and LERA's innovation of modular power storage, battery-based tool platforms come to a brand new era. The outdoor power station that boasts the world's fastest recharge speed also houses and charges the tool battery. Battery-powered tools and energy storage systems are finally connecting. And with solar panels generating power for the power station, new energy lives up to its name and provides a totally independent energy experience. As the new energy power system R&D and application expert, over nearly 2 decades, LERA has had the opportunity to work together and grow rapidly with its customers. In an era of new power, we have been going forward on the fast lane, and we will keep going.